Hello guys, welcome back with me, Cho 2025. Today we're going to learn how to upgrade ComfyUI and handle the error from the update process. What happened usually is the line from one place is not connected to the other. It's just a GUI problem though, but it is pretty annoying. So now, let's start updating our ComfyUI. Open your ComfyUI. As you can see, currently all the line in my place is connected nicely. Open Manager, select Update ComfyUI. Comfy will now updating, and you need to wait till it finished updating and reload itself. Now as you can see, the updated version has its line disconnected. Don't panic, this is just a view only. Everything is connected fine. But if you want to repair this, what you need to do is open the manager. If you can't find the manager, simply restart the ComfyUI by closing the command prompt and then open it again. If it's still not showing up, try installing the manager again. Anyway, if everything's fine, manager will be on the upper part of your layout. If there is no layout, click the 3-line icon on the top right corner of your screen. In my case, I do a reclone of manager and it show up. Now open Manager. Open Custom Node Manager, search for Mixed Lab Nodes. Simply updated it for your solution. After it updated, the line now connected just fine. Also, if you found message ControlNet object has no attribute device, after update, I suggest you updated your advanced ControlNet too. It will solve the problem. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.